today we're basically doing a Discord video, and this Discord video would be that we're gonna try to add people and they have to add us back. Yeah, I hope you like it. I'll see you in a minute, guys. It about took me 20 minutes to actually look for it. So 20 minutes doesn't look nice. All I do is flexing. Don't need no AC. Okay, you can add me on Discord, okay? Add me on Discord, so I'm gonna give you an opportunity to add me on Discord. I'm gonna get written. My name is, so you see Aim Vic on the bottom here, yeah? Aim./Vic24 Aim Vic24. I'll write it down. Roblox, it's the full name. Aim Vic242536. Okay, that's my name, and then the number is that hashtag, then 6961. 6961. Okay, so add me. I'm online all the time. Add me, okay? So is that? See ya, that baby. Okay, guys. I hope you like this video. And there's a reason why I don't go make videos too. Because I have a swollen eye too. So guys, I hope you like that video, boy, so you can see my Discord.